Hello, my silver sisters. Hello, my reinventing sisters. Hello, my gray and proud sisters. First of all, I'd like to thank this platform for allowing us to shine, but more importantly, for allowing us to share and encourage each other to stay in a place of just being happy about who we are and the decisions that we've made to be natural. You guys have made me feel so wonderful regarding this simple cotton scarf. And so I thought, why not take the time to do a video to show you how easy it really is. You don't want this one. This is my workout one. And you can't use something this small because it won't wrap. I have my hair wrapped around my head because it is incredibly thick. And so this particular style can be worn with some of the hair out. I just choose to have all of my hair in because I simply want a day where I don't have to even think about my hair. And in the DMV, our humidity is fierce. And so when it's a cute date night or when I want to just not be over hair, I use this concept. This is a simple square scarf that all I did was put it in a triangle. So it's a simple large square scarf that I doubled it and I put it in a triangle. Then what you want to do is you want to put it around your head. Make sure that each of the sides are, I feel like an airline stewardess. You know how they point? Make sure that each of the sides is even. And then I'm going to just tie. Tie, and I will take this particular part in the middle. I will tuck this in. Everybody see? Everybody have their scarves? I'm so excited. Okay, so you're going to tuck that part in. Make sure that everything is in and under wraps. You will take the two pieces, ladies, and you will just twist the two pieces together. This is so simple. Once the pieces are twisted together, you will take the pieces and you will just begin to wrap the hair around. It's as simple as that. You will just wrap it around. You do not have to, I call for grace, not perfection. I think the more it just looks kind of imperfect, the better it is. And the cool part about this, while this scarf is on, you can twist this scarf and turn this scarf all the way to the back and just have this part showing, and then this part will be in the back. It is so way cool. Put on some glam earrings or choose not to. And in these days of mask, who's gonna know anyway? Put on my glasses because I happen to think that they're the greatest jewelry ever. And I am ready to go. So this is the square. Now, you can put it over to the side. Woo! And you can also put it in the back. Is this not cool or what? It's a great look. You'll look fresh. It'll look refreshing. I need you guys to take a selfie. Selfie, please. And then, for those of you who do not have the square, I have the oblong, which happens to be my infinity scarf. That's all it is. My cotton infinity scarf. Don't buy a thing. I know you guys have it. You're going to do the same concept because infinity scarves turn into squares as well. You'll make your triangle. You'll wrap it around your hair. You'll make sure that your sides are even. You will pull it together. Tie. Tie, and then what do you do next? You tuck. Tuck. And then what do you do? Twist. And then next, you simply want to wrap it around your head and tuck. And don't forget a scrunchie or a rubber band. That's it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. I want to see a selfie. Thank you guys. Stay true to yourself. Enjoyed you.